Most toy train track is worthless. All toy train track that is rusty and bent is total garbage. I don't even have an example to show you here because I don't have garbage. Most old toy train track is worthless because train collectors and operators can buy recently made or brand new track for most gauges. One can even get, mainly from Germany, rarer but nice clean pieces of 90-year-old 3-rail 1-gauge track. One example of track that is actually rare is what is called SplitPin standard gauge track made by Lionel. Lionel's SplitPin track was made from 1906 to 1912. It's called SplitPin because it has half pins inserted in the middle rail. Another difference from the very common track is the SplitPin's ties. SplitPins have narrow, squared-off ties. Common track has wider ties with curls for track connectors. I recently got an entire circle of SplitPin that is remarkably shiny and usable. So I'm going to do a quick setup and run my Lionel 1910 engine and shorty gondolas on it. The Lionel 1910 engine was made from 1910 to 1912. I know this example is from 1910 because of these wire handrails it has. This looks like it was repainted long ago. Hard to tell which is original finish and which is repaint. Whatever, I'm not going to, air quotes, restore it. Alright, let's see how the 1910 does on its contemporary track. Okay, I got the track all connected together. I'm going to insert a rectifier here to change the transformer current from AC to DC. While these very old Lionel engines have AC motors, they actually run better on DC current. Back in 1910, transformers and even house current were still pretty rare. Most of these early Lionels were originally run on batteries. Okay, now I'm getting the wires hooked on to these brass connectors, which were vastly improved on by the lock-ons of later years. There, that's got it for a short run. Okay. Alright, so here we go. So there we have it, a Lionel 1910 running on the type of track it was originally sold with.